Is your Hyundai Santa Fe's alarm system randomly going off? The most common culprits are the hood switch, interior motion sensor, and key fob. First, check the hood switch for corrosion or misalignment. This is a frequent issue, especially in older models from 2010 to 2019. Clean the switch and ensure it properly connects when the hood is closed. Next, consider the interior motion sensor. Temperature fluctuations or misalignment after windshield replacement can trigger it. For 2021 plus models, ensure your BlueLink software is up to date, as Hyundai has released updates to reduce false positives. Finally, test your key fob. A low battery or signal interference can cause alarms. Try replacing the battery and reprogramming the fob if necessary. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B1001, hood switch fault, to pinpoint the exact issue. For 2020 to 2022 models, check for recall notices, ATSA campaign number 25V23 related to faulty interior sensors. Once you've identified the problem, you can often fix it yourself. For a faulty hood switch, replacement costs around $150 at a dealer. Interior sensor realignment or replacement may be necessary, especially after bodywork. Software updates can often resolve issues with the alarm module, so check for available updates via BlueLink. Remember to regularly clean sensor contacts every 6 months to prevent debris buildup and corrosion, which are primary causes of false alarms. Keep your key fob battery fresh and avoid signal interference. If you're uncomfortable performing these fixes, a Hyundai certified mechanic can diagnose and repair the issue. For persistent problems, professional diagnostics are recommended to rule out body control module (BCM) errors. Statistics show that 70% of problems are fixable DIY, but BCM issues require expert attention.